In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set a default video player in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now first things first, you need to navigate at the bottom search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed that, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. From here at the settings, at the left side of that, you can see there a list of the option. Please locate with the option called apps. And under the apps tab, you can see a list of the option as well. Please navigate to default apps, which contains a default for file and link times and other defaults. So you would be able to see a window like this. All you need to do is you need to navigate to the set default for applications. So from here, you can choose the video player that you want to set as a default video player in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's say for example you would like to set the VLC media player as your default video player in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. All you need to do is you need to select on it, and from here you can set a default file types or link types. So all you need to do is you need to scroll down and locate for the file types that you want to set the VLC media player with. So let's say for example, if you are watching an MP4 video and you would like to watch it, or you would like to set your VLC media player as the default media player the moment you will I mean the default video player the moment you will open it. All you need to do is you need to click on this forward arrow icon, and from here select for VLC and click on set default. In that way, the moment you will open up, or the moment you will watch any .mp4 video, you would be able to open it, or you would be able to watch it in the VLC media player using this one. So let's say for example you want that also to set your VLC media player for MP3. So the moment you will watch any videos that is having a file extension for .mp3, you would be able to use that as your tool in watching such. So click on set default. So just identify any of the file extension of the particular video that you want to set the VLC media player with. So let's say for example that MPA, just select it and click on this forward arrow. Just do the steps, okay? Once you're good, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So whenever you open, or whenever you will watch a video, you would be able to open it onto the particular application or program that you have set as your default video player with. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. So thank you for watching and have a good day.